It's one Nigerian man. He don't talk say in there for hellfire. He said that any pastor, anybody will come tell you say that that is hellfire. Say that person they lie. Say Nigeria is currently a hellfire. Now I can say here, Nigeria currently a hellfire. Welcome back to Officer Justice Day. If today na the first time wey you see me, abeg make you no forget to subscribe to this channel and follow this page for more updates. The matter wey we carry come today, they say one Nigerian man for inside street. He said that as e be like this now, Nigeria is a hellfire. Now I can say how come? How Nigeria take be hellfire? Many people talk so many things for this video, so I want play you this video, make you watch. You understand? So that you go hear wetin people talk about Nigeria. Watch the video.
Nobody should preach to you there is hellfire. This is hellfire.
Nigeria is hellfire.
Hellfire. There is no way somebody who went through Nigeria or who came and suffer all this evil will come and still want to suffer again in hellfire. This is our hellfire. Whereby you don't. It's not sudden. This thing that is happening to us is not sudden to us. He told us that there is Sabado, there is this.
It's over. It's over. We not like me personally. I'm fed up. I have nothing to say about any justice.
This man, Tinubu, told you that he wish there is another way.
But there's no way.
You don't know it's an impeachment statement. In a civilized world, where people who gave you the mandate to pioneer the affairs of a country, you tell them that you don't know how to go about it again. You show them incompetence.
So it's clueless.
You are clueless. You don't have to remain there. You give people chance who have what it takes to drive the economy, to come in and make it work, to foster the economy. People are dying. People are sick. They cannot access common basic necessity of medical healthcare.
Declare because of this is critical right now. Is that what you're saying?
The state of emergency that I'm clamoring for is the Nigerian youth. We are sleeping and slumbering. There is no way. If you leave labor to do it, they will always compromise, because we have people who are so much in love with their stomach. That is stomach infrastructure. Our politicians are very much inclined with their stomach.
As they come up for your house, you go to change your, you go to change, you go to carry 6 inches chain, they change your pot, change everything we get for her, because what's in the happen now?
People they steal pot of soup.
They are now. You got the thief now, and even the thieves, even the thief common tomato we buy they sell on my tray market. Got to get the pot of soup. Pot of soup, if pot of soup, a big boy now. You got the thief now, and the thief that thief these days, these days now. Hunger radio these days for people. Hunger. No joy. Street is not friendly. Everybody there, everybody eye they shine.
How you they manage, bro?
Me?
You. Yeah.
We are problem to ourselves. No, it's not only the government. We're also contributing to the hardship that we're experiencing.
Yes, the ruling is okay for me, for my side.
Collect dollar for election.
I follow chop the dollar.
You follow chop the dollar.
Yes.
You say enjoy now.
To the tomorrow morning, I go enjoy to the tomorrow morning.
Make Tinubu continue.
Make continue ruling.
All right.
So, but what I'm seeing now, I think I'm being disappointed, because what I'm seeing is not what I expect of him. It's not what I expected of him. So I don't know what to say anymore.
How does it feel right now living in Nigeria?
Man, the whole thing is just getting the whole thing is getting out of hands. You know, it's becoming unbearable. You know, it's something you buy today, 1 naira, tomorrow or next tomorrow you buy it 8 naira, and it's very bad. So he should do something. He has the power to do something, that like the one he did by arresting those Brody change people, those people that are changing dollars. I think that was a good job. And when he arrested them, something the dollar rate dropped from 1,950 to 1,600. He should carry that hand up, you know, in the various places, agencies and all that, even the business people, the bank, the places you know you need to touch. Because in Nigeria, if you are just laughing with people, they will be taking advantage of you. But if you put a little force,
like price control, all these people waiting
and all that, and he should please try all he can to open borders and work on the fuel. I believe with those two things, everything will be all right somehow.
But you don't get joy now, bros.
Man, me say, don't touch me because my generator fees I don't travel. My generator now for like 2 months, I never on up. I can't even want to rent the generator, but I pity the generator may no spoil. You know what I'm saying? So the president and the Federal Executive Council and the legislators and legislative, they should do something because the whole thing is becoming unbearable. And they say an hungry man is an angry man. They should do something before the thing. Of course, I am.
All right, thank you.
The thing has touched me so much. So please, President Tinubu and my own brother Eze Bonwanye Sowike, please, you people should do something. I mean the FCT minister, you people should do something so that everywhere will be okay.
All right,
thank you very much.
Thank you. This is one I'm buying with them.
Thank you.
To every average Nigerian, we know we are living in Nigeria is a very big disappointment. In fact, like I was talking to a friend where I was coming from. He was in Dubai. Suddenly he came back. I was asking him what is your reason of coming back. He said he's even regretting of coming back. That he's planning of taking off back to Dubai. I said, if I move over to Dubai, coming back to Nigeria will be a thing of the past. I will not even consider it until the necessary things are being put in place in the country.
What do you think is the way forward, and what can we do to hold our government accountable?
As it stands now, I don't think that we can hold our government responsible for anything, any sort of failure. I have my reasons. Who is to hold this government accountable? All the parastatals that is supposed to stand for the people, they are all compromised. They are all sold out. Who is the EFCC? Who appoints the EFCC? What about the ICPCs? What about the courts? These are the hope of every common average human being or Nigerians or persons. But these people are all compromised. So I don't think that nobody holds anybody accountable for anything.
So Nigeria should just endure suffering and smiling, like they say.
Just as our icon, music icon, fella, he saw it earlier. Suffering and smiling, and we felt that he's under inflation of drug or thereabout. But he saw it coming.
Is it a foundational problem or individual problem?
It is a foundational problem created by individual and sold out. It has moved around to the norms of the people. So it's something that, yes, it can be cured, but not in this era.
So what do we do?
What do we do is, the people have to stand for themselves. And how do these things stand? Revolution must take place.
How do we pioneer that?
It is for the normal NGOs. We are starting NGOs that are responsible for most of these changes to stand and speak. And let them also not be compromised. Because sometimes even, you see Labour, who is even supposed to speak for the people, they are compromised. Labour will just come in, go into the office, whatever discussion, they take a cup of tea and come back with their pocket filled up. And you see that tomorrow, the next day, you see what they call it again, strike or whatever, has been cancelled. So, in that regards, where do we run to? We don't have anything to run. We have to run to.
We don't have a justice system. We don't have a good governance. There's nothing to write home about Nigeria. We should just endure and just wait it out.
As you can see,
administration is.
As you can see,
yes.
As you can see, it's over. It's over. Me personally, I'm fed up. I have nothing to say about any justice. Where is justice? When evidences upon evidences have been put on ground, and at the end, they look at these evidences and put a very ambiguous grammar over these evidences and bury the evidences. Is it what you are talking about? Look at what happened. I just saw online that the Supreme Court of the United States of America has cleared Donald Trump to run an election. If it's here, how do you do it? These are where systems are functioning. This is where systems are running. So here we don't have a system. We don't have a system. The system are there.
Individual problem is a corruption problem. Every individual has a price on their head.
Yes.
Even you has a price.
Yes.
So if they pay you to, you compromise.
For what personally me, just as you say, our individual, we have our differences. I have sat in a place with my little experience in a place where I was paid some money to compromise the system. I objected it. In fact, what I'm having in my pocket here now, look at it. It's 3 copies of different letters. Trying to clear my name from ambiguous altercation. That's if I compromise, it will also kill the system that we find ourselves inside. So if I could open this letter, you see that I will not. I exempted myself from it and then made an expose of what is killing the system. I am not that kind. I am not that kind.
So Tinubu is not competent. That's what you are saying, sir.
Well,
President Tinubu.
whether he's
Welcome back as I've watched that video, and do not forget to share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, my people, I beg me wanna contribute, put for inside this video and let us know what you think for inside this video, so we will know how one takes it down, come judge the matter. Share and like.